Each and every FFA member is capable of making an impact through FFA. There are so many opportunities that are available to FFA members at the chapter, district, state, and even national level that enable students to impact their world. From community gardens to the PALS program, FFA has it all. Members can participate in programs already created or embrace their inner entrepreneur and start their own project. The first steps required in making an impact through FFA requires the member to find his or her passion. A person must be passionate about what they are doing for a true, deep impact to be felt by others. So what are you passionate about agriculturally? Promoting livestock production, safe food production, processing or preparation, advocating for the FFA organization or other agricultural organizations? Once you have found your passion, grab it, hold on to it, and start brainstorming ways you can give back with it. Next, find a way to give back. One way many FFA members choose is by becoming an FFA officer for their chapter, district, state, or become a national officer. Being an officer or holding another leadership position in your FFA chapter will let you use your role to impact your community. You could brainstorm ways with your officer team for your chapter to give back. You could plan, organize, and run community gardens, kindergarten farm tours, canned food drives, and much, much more. Your imagination and creativity is the limit. No matter what role you have as a member, everyone wears the blue jacket. So the next time you put yours on, wear it proudly. Make sure that when people see that blue jacket, they associate your good behavior, attitude, and deeds with the corduroy blue jacket. Wear your FFA jacket with pride and a good heart. So what's next? Where do you go from here? Well, it's simple really. Find your motivation and go make a change. Each action starts with a single step towards accomplishing a goal. Take your first step today.